Today is an important day. Today you will inspire an industry. Just like you, we want to wake up to a fair world. Fair for ourselves, fair for the planet, fair for other people. We believe we must take responsibility for creating radical change. We are Fairphone. 5 years ago, we began working to improve the electronics industry. We imagined, explored, learned, had successes, made mistakes, and learned even more. We proved the world is ready for fair electronics, and with the support of believers, makers, world changers, and Fairphone owners, we grew up. Today we are ready to take our next step. It's time to expand our impact. You can be a part of it, because the bigger our movement grows, the more we can achieve. Invest today and wake up to a fair tomorrow.